Doesn't that look amazing?
Gluing structure, making sure to get a nice even.
Yeah, say hi. And it was made by Noam himself. Oh. Hey guys, today we're in downtown Brooklyn and we're gonna do an all-American food tour. We're gonna get a classic American hot dog, pizza, and cheesecake. The Fulton Hot Dog King has been in business right here on Fulton Street at Elm Place, believe since 1914. Definitely been here for a long time, and they specialize in the all-American hot dog. They also have hamburgers and French fries, your classic American food, but their hot dog is the king. So we're gonna go in and get one.
Thanks, buddy.
His name is Hudson. Hot dogs are a staple of New York City's street food culture. We're getting one. We're gonna both have it. We're gonna get the classic American hot dog. American? Yeah, and some mustard. That would be awesome. Oh, can you show it to us? Yeah. Oh, perfect. Thank you. With the help of the Downtown Brooklyn Partnership, Fulton Hot Dog King restored their storefront with a red and white striped awning and signage dating back to the 1950s and 1960s. We really love its retro feel. So what's the most popular topping?
Yeah, only sincero crab, ketchup mustard.
Big one is spicy and a small one is a regular. Almost a lady say sausage. Sometimes lady like it. Sometimes the boys like it. Sometimes boys coming.
Fulton Hot Dog King has been owned by Tariq Khan and Anwar Shahzad since 1982. So from the Fulton Hot Dog King, we got the classic American hot dog. It's a soubrette hot dog. All right, so we're gonna give this classic American hot dog a try. Really good. Nice crispness to the skin and a nice snap to it when you bite into it. Love it. Of course, we saved some for you, Hudson. Here you go. All right. The best way to get to downtown Brooklyn is to take the A, C, F, or R train to the J Street Metro Tech Station. Norm's Pizza, which is on Adams Street by Fulton, just recently opened. I'm going to go inside and get a classic New York slice, but we have a special treat today because we get to meet the owner, Noam Grossman, and he's going to make a pie especially for us. Norm's Pizza is only 400 square feet, so space to create their pies is tight. Owner Noam Grossman worked with famed former Roberta's Pizzaiolo Anthony Falco to create the menu and develop his technique and wild yeast sourdough starter. Noam allowed us to squeeze in alongside the pizza oven to film him making our classic cheese pie.
Yeah, it's really tight back there.
This is a 48-hour natural ferment. So we use a sourdough starter, And basically we make the dough, so we're basically making dough on Monday for Wednesday, and it picks up a lot of the qualities we like in terms of digestibility and flavor, texture, during its cold fermentation process in the fridge. For thin spots and making sure to get a nice even stretch. Pecorino Romano right in the sauce.
Oh, so he's cutting. These are those Ronnies that I read about on Lawrence's page, right? That you get.
Those, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, awesome.
It's like having, it's like biting into having.
Oh, that does look beautiful. We took our cheese pie outside to eat on the tables, but there's also plenty of seating inside and a stand-up counter to eat at. So we got the classic cheese pie from Norm's, and we're gonna give it a try. And it was made by Noam himself. So amazing, extra good. Hudson also got treated to some fresh cubes of mozzarella from Noam. What a lucky dog.
Yeah, he got a lot of them.
Yeah, he made out, right?
Yeah.
Junior's on the corner of DeKalb Avenue at Flatbush Avenue was founded in 1950 by Harry Rosen. And he decided very early on that he was going to specialize in the New York cheesecake, because at the time in 1950, the cheesecake was the most popular American dessert for taking home. And he developed the recipe with his chef, and it's really simple ingredients, but it requires a lot of attention, and that's why he decided to specialize in it. And today in 2019, it's still one of the most popular desserts. We're gonna go inside and definitely get a New York cheesecake. Junior sells 12 different cheesecake flavors, including their best-selling original New York plain cheesecake and the strawberry cheesecake, chocolate swirl, raspberry swirl, apple crumb, cherry, and even red velvet cheesecake. Junior is at 17,000 square feet. has a takeout counter, a bakery, and 3 separate seating areas and 2 bars. President Obama stops by Junior's whenever he's in town to buy some of their famous cheesecake. In addition to cheesecake, Junior's features deli sandwiches including corned beef and pastrami and 10-ounce steak burgers. We love their rust-colored booths and all the memorabilia lining the walls. In February 2014, the third-generation owner, Alan Rosen, put the building on the market for development as an apartment tower with plans to reopen Junior's as a ground floor tenant. He received offers up to $45 million, but they wouldn't let him bring Junior's restaurant back to the ground floor, so he took the building off the market. So we're really lucky that it's still standing today and it looks safe for future generations. Junior's also has seasonal flavors of cheesecake, including pumpkin and pumpkin pie, which is a pumpkin pie baked inside the Junior's cheesecake. That sounds decadent, doesn't it, Jimmy?
Oh yeah, that's nuts.
So we got a classic cheesecake from Junior's. Let me get it out and show it to you. Okay, here we go. Hold on, let me unwrap it.
Oh man.
Doesn't that look amazing? Hey guys, we have one more stop on our tour, the historic Dime Savings Bank of Brooklyn. It's located right next door to Junior's and opened its doors in 1908. True to its name, you could open a savings account with just a dime. We were lucky enough to gain access inside this landmark structure as the bank has been closed since 2002 and is currently being redeveloped as part of a mixed-use skyscraper which will rise to 1,066 feet, the tallest tower in Brooklyn. The landmark bank will be fused to the tower and used as a retail space. Today in downtown Brooklyn on our all-American food tour. We got a hot dog, pizza, and a New York cheesecake. Extra good. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our downtown Brooklyn food tour, highlighting both street food and other New York favorites. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and give it a thumbs up and share the video if you liked it. Check out our other Brooklyn food tours, including ones in Williamsburg and Carroll Gardens. We'll be posting new videos every Friday.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.